Ready to integrate your form with Paymo and create new projects automatically? In our form builder, go to Settings, click on the Integrations tab, and search for Paymo. To set up the integration, you'll be redirected to the Paymo website. Authenticate your Paymo account by entering your Paymo email address and password. Then grant Jotform access to your Paymo account. When prompted, select Create a Project as your action type. Add a client to your project and match your Jotform fields to your Paymo fields. Currently, the integration supports 3 types of form elements: short text entry, long text entry, and file upload fields. Once you save your changes, your integration is good to go. Publish your form to start accepting submissions. When filling out the form, teammates or clients can easily describe project details and even attach files. Each submission will automatically create a new project in your Paymo account. Simply click on the Projects tab from your Paymo home screen to view your new projects. Now we'll show you how to create new tasks. From the Settings tab, go to Integrations and select Paymo. With the integration already set up, all you need to do is select Create a Task and select your action item. Then, choose a project and a task list. Match your form fields to your Paymo fields, and save your changes to complete the integration. Publish your form to start creating new tasks for projects. When someone fills out your form, their submission will automatically create a new task in your Paymo account. From your Paymo home screen, select the Projects tab and open the project that is connected to your form. You'll be able to view all form submission info under the Tasks option. There you have it. Easier project management with Jotform and Paymo.